sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Today I'm going to show you guys how I clean up once the kids go to bed. So I like to clean throughout like my week. Like I do the floors one day, I do the bathroom one day, like I change the sheets one day, all of that kind of thing. I don't have like designated days because I tried that and I would always get like behind and it was just a mess. So I do try to like deep clean things throughout the week. Depending upon what it is, I either do it every week or every other week, just kind of go with the flow. But at night, what I like to do is two things. I like to clean up the living room and the kitchen. I don't clean up the playroom anymore. I used to, but I have been making the kids kind of tidied up because it's all their things in the playroom. All I do at night is I make sure the kitchen is cleaned up, like everything is put away, dishes are put in the dishwasher, like there's nothing out of place on the counters. And then I like clean up the kitchen table, sweep if I need to sweep, which I need to sweep tonight, and then quickly like fix all the pillows and all the blankets in the living room. And if I have laundry, I fold it. I don't always put it away at night because I don't like going into the kids' rooms and like making noise and waking them up. So sometimes I'll just put it by their bedroom doors. So that's what I'm going to do tonight because I do have some laundry in the dryer that I need to fold. I'm gonna quit talking, but I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of cleaning inspiration because I know it's hard to clean up at night. Trust me, I 100% know it is, and I haven't always cleaned up at night. It's only something I've been doing for probably the last year and a half. Before, I would just kind of go to sleep and clean it in the morning, and that kind of starts your day off not so good. So now that the kids are older and I don't have newborns, it's a lot easier to do this. I'm not saying like you're not right if you don't do it like this, but I have just found that it's so much easier to spend 15 to 20 minutes cleaning up the night before, not deep cleaning, just, you know, tidying up. It's so much easier because you kind of wake up and you have a fresh start to your day. So here we go. My kitchen table is not usually this messy. So it is Sunday night for us right now, and the kids were with their grandparents and they picked them up McDonald's on their way home. So that is what the kids ended up having for dinner. And they kind of just left it a mess because it was getting pretty late, so I wanted to put them to sleep. So I need to clean all of this up, and there's stuff on the floor like french fries and chicken nuggets. So I know that fast food is not very healthy for kids, but our kids don't eat it all the time, so it's fine. And then up here, I was editing some pictures from a photo session that I did today. So I have my own little mess that I need to clean up, and then random other things. The kitchen isn't too dirty. Like I think there's a sippy cup and a little bowl in the sink. So the kitchen isn't too dirty because I didn't make dinner tonight. So normally I would be putting like all of whatever we had for dinner into the dishwasher and starting it. So that's one less thing that I have to do tonight, but here we go. So the kitchen is all nice and clean. The only thing I left out is my computer, because once I'm done folding the laundry and then cleaning this room a little bit, I'm going to go back to editing some pictures. The living room is now all nice and cleaned. You guys, if you guys have a Walmart near you, go look for these pillows. I think the black and white ones were from fall, but the red and black ones, and then this one with the Christmas tree, they're like $4, I think, which is crazy. They're not the best pillows, but my kids are really little, and I have bought expensive pillows and they have gotten ruined with just stuff because kids. So I really like doing the Walmart pillows because I can just throw them away like after a couple months and I don't feel guilty. So they're not the best like quality, like they're not really comfortable, but they do actually look really, really cute for being $4. So I'm going to get the laundry out of the dryer and I'm going to fold it all and put it all away and then get back to editing my pictures. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little nighttime tidy routine. I will see you guys tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Good night, guys.